I am at the Macias residence to do a repair attempt video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this obvious wind damage shingle right here without trying to disturb the shingle above it. I'm going to start by making sure the shingle that I'm removing isn't adhered to the shingle below it. Okay. Now I'm going to make sure the shingle above it isn't adhered to the one I'm removing. Okay, now I'm going to remove the wind damage shingle from the decking. Okay, the shingle's out. Right there. Now, I'm going to put the shingle right back where it was, and I'm going to fasten it to the decking. I'm going to do so using my roofing snake. I use the roofing snake so I don't have to lift the shingle above it higher than necessary in order to get a decent nail strike. One more. Okay, shingle's back in. So in the process of this repair attempt, this is the shingle that I removed and put back. The shingle above it, I noticed as I was putting the other one back in, has a delaminated tooth here now, here, and here. The reason why this is an issue in repairability is this shingle, look, you can see it's starting to come apart into two pieces. Over here, it's coming apart into two pieces, deeming this roof irreparable.